let's look at nuclear power generation. And in order to utilize nuclear power to produce a useful amount of energy, many fission reactions have to occur. We can't just get the energy from one or two reactions, we need many fission reactions. And these fission reactions can actually occur, much like dominoes, one occurring then next in a chain reaction. And a chain reaction occurs when the products of one fission reaction cause further reactions. So we get something and we get more reaction, etc., down the chain. All it takes to start a reaction is a single neutron. And this single neutron releases additional neutrons during the nuclear reaction. And these additional neutrons continue the chain. What does it mean? Well, let's look at this picture. Here we have a single neutron, a little hard to see, so I'm going to do it a little bit bigger. There's a single neutron. And that neutron is absorbed by the nucleus. The nucleus splits into two other nuclei and produces 3 additional neutrons. And then those neutrons can go out and strike another nucleus. So this one's going to strike here, split, and we get 3 more. Down here, split, and we get 3 more. And we continue to have this additional neutrons, and the chain reaction continues. And this chain reaction will produce enough fission to generate energy. If we're able to harness that energy, like in a nuclear reactor, and here's a picture of a typical nuclear reactor. This is the CANDU reactor. The reactor actually controls this rate of chain reaction. So we don't want a giant explosion like a nuclear bomb or nuclear weapon. We want a slow release. And this slow release of energy actually produces heat, thermal energy. And the thermal energy then can turn turbines and produce electricity and get this electrical energy. And you're going to do a little bit of research on a nuclear reactor and figure out exactly what's going on in the details here. One thing to keep in mind is nuclear reactors do not really exist in this part of the country, but worldwide, nuclear reactors supply about 17% of the world's electricity. So a substantial portion of electricity worldwide does come from nuclear reactors. And we're going to look at these in more detail, including the benefits and the potential harms that come along with a nuclear reactor.